Do you know you can make the perfect juiciest grilled chicken using just the ingredients from the comfort of your home? Hello sweet fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Chef Bossy, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to grill this chicken. In order not to waste your time, let's go right into it. These are the ingredients I will use to make the perfect grilled chicken. That's my soft chicken. Then I'm just going to add in my grounded pepper, and this is my chicken seasoning. After that, I'm just going to add my white pepper. Then this is my curry powder. I'm just going to add it to it, and then my ginger and garlic powder. Next, I'm using a little bit of nutmeg. A lot of people don't know the benefit of nutmeg, but nutmeg elevates the taste and aroma of your chicken. Then I'm going to seal it up with sesame oil and also vegetable oil. I'm just going to pour a little to it, and then my grated onion. Time for us to mix. We're just going to mix this together until it is well incorporated. So this is how it's going to turn out to be. We're just going to mix this, and after that I'm just going to seal this up and allow it to just sit for just 15 minutes. I'm using my cling film to seal it up, and after that I'm just going to wait for just 15 minutes. Then after 15 minutes, I'm just going to bring out my oven tray, and I'm just going to arrange it on top of the tray. And this is all we have. Then I'm just going to pop it inside my oven and allow it to bake for 40 minutes on a medium heat. And mind you, after 20 minutes I brought it out to turn to the other side, and this is what we have. All I can say is, if you follow this recipe step by step using the ingredients I dropped, you're going to achieve the same result like this. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, will you be recreating this recipe? Do not forget to watch our other videos, and mind you, there is no need for you to add any other seasoning or brushing your other seasoning to it. This is what we have. This is so perfect, so easy, and so juicy. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section, and thank you so much for watching my videos. I'll be seeing you in my next videos. Bye.